Here I open my browser. Now I do right click on inspect. Then I will open console. Now you can see I write here console.log. Anything I write here, it will print in the console. Like I am writing here learn with Hafsa, and now I do right click, enter. You can see here it is showing me an output of console. Suppose I will write here any expression, let a console.log and I write here a. Now you will enter and you will find a value of undefined. I have explained in the previous videos why we are getting here undefined value. So if you have any confusion about this one, you can watch my previous video.